Hop the bubble toot that today. Hop the bubble toot toot toot. Bring me sunshine in your smile.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the show.
Have we got time for any more?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, good.
All the while in this world.
You're not seriously going to do some ventriloquism?
Very similar. Hello, Charlie. How are you? I'm very well, thank you.
I can see your lips moving.
It's wonderful to be reminded about how, and it was very affectionate. It's a wonderfully affectionate performance.
Let your arms be as warm.
Shakespeare?
Eh?
Shakespeare?
I've no idea who he is, Ern. It was just handed to me when I came on. What do you think of the show so far?
He is incredibly like him, and he gets the mannerisms amazingly well.
He's not going to sell much ice cream going at that speed, is he? Hey, it's clever, isn't it?
I don't quite know how to put this.
Yes. Yes?
I still haven't been paid.
It was a great show and totally entertaining, and there were some jokes I'd never heard before and some I want to steal.
Great! It would make me happy through the years.
Mr. Memory!
Hassel! What are these?
Bongo.
Just watch it. That's all. What are these?
They are bongos!
Well, does he know you've got them? Can he say Fercher? No. Fercher.
Bring me blood, bring me sunshine, bring me love.
It really got to me tonight. It was superb. I think this should be garlanded with awards for this.